You have asked a question which is outside this topic. If you were in Parliament, I would say you are out of order. But I will proceed to answer anyway, because and if a political party is going to be getting funding from the state, 100 million or 200 million shillings, and you have your own party which gets nothing from the state, a briefcase political party, tell me how you're going to compete. It's not going to be possible. So this is these many political parties you see now. These ones they will collapse. They will die. You don't have to worry about them. You know, because come the next general election, I am very persuaded that we have a fairly educated voter population this time round. And many young people, your students and others, are prepared this time round to participate in the election of the leaders of the next dispensation.